Well, we had some logistical setbacks today, but we got 4 rocks set. We didn't get to start setting rocks till about 3 o'clock, but we got all of our rock is here. It's all staged. We got a few set, our skimmers in, the liners attached to it, and we're ready to try to knock this thing out tomorrow. So my outfall behind me is set, and we are ready to start making this thing look awesome. These turned out really great. This weird notch in this rock worked out perfect right in front of our skimmer. Turn it around and show you what I'm talking about. So we got this cool notch right here, and you can see how it just kind of hugs the faceplate on our skimmer here. We'll do some foaming and some cobbles, dress this all up and hide that nice and neat. We got this big flat one set here. It comes out of the water quite a ways, but that'll be a nice spot to sit right there and put your feet down in here. And in this corner, we're gonna work in somewhat of a staircase for her dogs to come in and out right here and go up that way into the house. Didn't get a whole lot done today, but we got a whole lot done today. It's just not pretty stuff. We got all our rock staged, our gravel's back here, the machines are here, and we are gonna make this thing look pretty spectacular tomorrow. So keep watching. We're gonna knock this one out of the park, make a sweet spot for her pups to swim. We had to shut down early on Friday because it started to rain, and got quite a bit of rain, but we had it tarped. We didn't get a whole lot back here where we're working, so we kept it pretty dry. A little muddy, but you guys are going to start cobbling in some of these gaps in between these boulders. I'm going to start getting some rock staged up top here so we can get back to work. I'll hopefully get this thing done in a day or so. Back at it this morning. We have got our pond completely rocked in. We just got to backfill and do the edges. This whole backside back here is low because we're building all this grade up, so we're having to bring in some topsoil, build this berm up, and float it on down to this bed. We'll probably end up taking our edging out for her, and just this end up all being one big landscape bed that's tied in with these big green giant arborvitaes. We got a lot more dirt work to do and a lot of edging, but as soon as we get this done, it's going to really start taking shape. And then we just got to button up the string. Our biofall or plumbing is already set, ready to go, so get back to work, show you guys what we can get done. River's running our dirt back and forth. We still got to finish this edge out right here, but we got some really cool rocks in this. We got this is framing this waterfall here, and then this stream will all come down in here and fill this up. Plus, do a bib liner in here so that water doesn't just fall down in our gravel there. We'll get that foamed in, so this is a nice big fall. But they got this big curved rock right here, and it wrapped around our frame stone almost perfect. It's set right in that. Got this neat little outcropping stones there, and then look at this awesome craggy rock that's got all these weathered water patterns in it. And this is framing this side of the fall as well as coming down into the pond here. Pond edge right here. Water out of my way. You can see what I'm talking about. So water level is about right in here, and it comes around and it's just like right there. So this top of this stone is right at a water level, and that's kind of our entryway we built for our pups to come in and out of right in here. So we're a little over 2 foot deep from here to the gravel, so they ought to be able to swim in here real good and then crawl in and out right here. And we'll do a set of stone steps kind of going up to her little walkway she's got there on my other camera setup. So we got some really neat rocks on this project. I really wanted to take that rock home because it's awesome. Anyways, I better put this up and get back to work, but this is kind of how we've got it rocked in down here. Just wrapped it up today down here in Fort Smith with the dog pond, and it turned out pretty cool. I got this real nice little stepping stone staircase right here that walks right into her pond for her dogs to get in and out of there and swim. We got a real nice wide stream for the dogs with real shallow water so they can lay in there when it's hot, splash around in that pooling area up there. But they'll be able to walk right down into the pond, get in and out right here, and swim all they want in here. That rock turned out great. I love how this framing rock worked out. This big craggy cracks in here where it's been weathered by the water, and the biofall will get planted up. There's lots of real low shells in here, shallow shells that she'll be able to plant. We'll grow a bunch of marginals all around. This will just be gorgeous this spring, and we can plant. But it's winter time right now, and it's wicked cold, so no point in trying to plant anything right now.